Hi guys, Jay Carter here at Boatworks. Just wanted to come to you today and talk to you a little bit about some electronics, specifically Lowrance Electronics. We're going to look at one of the things I get a lot of calls about, how do I update to my new software? So I wanted to take a few minutes today to just kind of step through the process. We're gonna look here at an HDS Live today. We got several units, but we're gonna take a look at one. One question that I get quite frequently is what software is my unit on? Do I need to update the software? Well, I want to show you a couple places how you can actually go in real quick and just check your software version. So on this HDS Live, we're going to hit Pages, and then we're going to go to Settings, hitting the little wheel right there. Scroll down, and you'll see About. So in that About page, you'll see right here, HDS Live is the model. The version number is 20.01. So with that in mind, I know that there is a new software version out there that's 20.1 software. So I want to step through a couple of things, show you how to get that software off your computer and onto your unit. There's actually a couple different ways we can do it. If you tie your unit into Wi-Fi, it can direct download that download straight to off your Wi-Fi. But if you want to do it kind of the old conventional way, you can download it off the computer on an SD card, plug it into your machine. So I'm going to step over here to the computer and pull it up. So first thing we're going to do, I've already got my SD card mounted in the machine. I'm going to go right up here, I'm going to go to Lowrance.com. Then when you load Lowrance.com, you're going to see Help and Support at the top of the page. Then when that loads, we're going to see right here at the bottom, Manuals and Software Updates. Click on that. Then we're going to go find our model in question. So we're going to scroll down here to HDS Live, because that's the unit we're working on today. And then scroll down that page and you'll see all kinds of supporting documents, installation manuals, templates, all of the data for that unit is here, but I'm looking for the software. So right here listed, it says software update 20.1, so that tells me I need that new software. This explains all the new releases in the software, some of the, all of the new information. One of the important features, this makes it compatible with Active Target. So that'll be one of the things as that comes out and you're upgrading your units with Active Target. So I'm gonna click on Download. One of the things that pops up here is, do you want to register? I always, 100% of the time, recommend to register your product. When you do register that product, it's gonna get you in there, and so if an update comes through, they're gonna actually send you an email and let you know that you've got an update available for it. So it's another way to stay in communication to keep all the latest technology on your system. So I click, at this point, I'm not gonna register, but I just want to download the file. So when I download the file, I'm going to choose, for me, I'm going to download it to my desktop. I've already actually went ahead and downloaded this document, but I would just choose my desktop so it's easy for me to find, hit save, and then after about a minute to 2 minutes, depending on your internet connection, it's going to download that update. So here you see that update is actually already downloaded on my card or on my desktop. So I'm going to take that software update and I'm going to put it on my SD card. So I'm going to scroll down here, find my SD card. It is a blank card. So I'm just going to drag that over and copy it into my SD card, and then you'll see this file. You'll see this file copy to the card here. Takes it just a second over to copy over. Okay, we've got the software transferred over, the software update transferred over to our SD card. So now I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to eject this SD card from my machine. And now I'm ready to pull it out. Right here. This is actually an SD card, but it's a micro SD card as well. So that little adapter, we actually have to use the micro SD version in these units. So I'm going to just insert this card right here into the machine, plug it in. Now there's two ways to update it from this point. I can turn the machine off and back on and it will auto take its update, or I can manually go press this and find that file on my card. So for today, I'm going to show you right here. So right there is the memory card that I just downloaded the software to. I'm going to touch that software. I'm going to upgrade it. This display, because I'm working on this machine, and when I hit OK, it's going to break away, and you're going to see it do a restart screen, and it's going to load that software on there. We'll show you the progress bar. Takes a couple of minutes here to get it to download. Then when the machine reboots, it'll be all updated, ready to go. We'll come back in just a second, and I'll show you how it looks after it's complete. So we're all back up and running. We've got our unit updated. I'm going to show you a quick verification. If you just like to make sure that it works, we're going to hit Pages again, go into Settings. I'm going to go down here to About, and then right there, it now shows 20.1 software. So that is the latest current version. We just take out our blank SD card, And we're complete. Unit's ready to roll. I want to show you one other way, the typical way that is actually easier to update the software if your machine is off. So just turn, hit your power, hold your power button down, have the machine off, insert your SD card, just like that. Power that unit up, and it will recognize that there is a software update on that card, and you'll see it's going to take off with the same kind of update process that we just seen by manually entering. So 2 different ways to do the same thing. This is actually the easy way to get it in there and get it to take care of it. Right here you'll see the software update go in, and that progress bar, when it's complete, the unit will restart and it'll be ready to go. All right, guys, our second unit is updating here. It's just finishing its update. It'll be rebooting and ready to go on the water. If you like this kind of content, react to the post. Give us a like or a comment. Let us know you like this kind of content. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube at Boatworks. Keep us posted. Let us know how we're doing. Thanks.